Let me just record. Okay, check that you have these answers. Check that for inequality, this is the only thing you need to take note. When you multiply or divide by negative number, you change the sign. Check that example 1, practice 1 is as follows. Example 1 and practice 1, check that you focus on prime numbers. So there's no 1, there's no 4. Okay, now we are doing practice example 2. Now, how do I represent for C? Can we try to represent for C? What will you do? I will have a few. I always have 0. I always have 0. So 0 is here. Negative 1 is here. 3 is here. So what do I do? Draw a circle. Draw a dash. Draw a circle. So this means what? This means that my answer lies between negative 1 and 3. Where do I color? I color at the 3. So I color the dot at 3. Okay, so check that this is your answer. Check that this is your answer. Okay, so far so good. Quickly move faster than me.
Oh, you say what?
2 to 6. So what do you do? This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no 0. Forget it. 0 is good to have, but if you don't have, then never mind.
So you only draw arrow there for the...
Yeah, good question. The third one, do I draw arrow?
Wow.
No need. Again, now, when I'm talking about a number range between this to this, there's no arrow. So the answer is just like that. Circle, dash, line, circle. Okay? So last one, how do I draw? Like that. Do I need to color anything?
Yes.
Color the 2. Check that your 4 answers are like that. Go on to the next part. I want to solve the inequality. What's the answer? Solving. Need arrow? What arrow? The first one need arrow. The first one need arrow because it's only less than 3, so there's an arrow. More than, there's an arrow. But when there is B, yes, B must have arrow. B must. Whenever there's a base no arrow. Okay. Or look up. Something wrong with this 4 diagram. This number line represent what? X or Y? X. How do I know? This is X. This is X. This is X. This is X. You need, I repeat, you need to label the axis. So what must you do? Draw an arrow. This is X. Draw an arrow. This is X. So what am I telling myself? I'm telling myself this line, this number line represent X. If the question is A less than 3, the question A less than 3, then this is A. If the question Y less than 3, then this is Y. Cambridge Street, I don't know, but Singapore Street, we follow street.
I guess
They never write X. We write X. We teach proper presentation. Now, tell me solve the inequality. Quickly the answer, X is
6.
less. Less than 6. Is it like that? More than 6. More. X more than 6. Which one? Less. Do I need to draw number line? No need. Okay. Second one, do I need to draw number line? Need. Because represent your answer on number line. Okay. Do I always shift the X to the left? No need. I can shift wherever I want. So sometimes I will shift it to the left, sometimes I will shift it to the right. I show you shift it to the right. So you bring this to the right, you have 7x minus 2x, negative 19, negative 6. 5x more than or equal to minus 20, die, 25. X more than or equal to negative 5. I purposely show you what you will not show me. A lot of you will write the other way. But I'm telling you, if you move the x to the right, it's the same answer as well. Check your answer, it should be like that. Or some of you write like this. Most of you write like this, in fact. How do I draw a number line? Don't have to be in scale. I show you one without scale. This is 0, this is 5, this is negative 5. I don't even have to show 5. Then what do I do? Draw an arrow. Point left or right? Point right. Do I color? What is missing in this number line? X. Okay, that's all. One box also can. In exam there won't be any box. But in exam if they so nice draw the scale for you, can you follow the scale? I repeat, in exam, Puja, in exam the question is so nice to show you all the different marking. Can you follow the scale? Now I show you don't follow scale, but because usually in the exam they won't draw the number line for you, so you don't have to follow scale. But in case they are so nice to give you this, you follow the scale. Can? What do you think about this question? Is it correct? See, now I want you all to write more instead of doing. Last time used to be doing, finding numbers. Who can help me? Rachel, try. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. So you will say, this are what is wrong, so it's already wrong, so they have to say wrong. But why is it wrong? The sign. Can you write your answer now? Don't wait for my answer. Write your answer now. I read out your answer and then we see how is it. Okay, I read out your answer.
Must write.
I don't know what will you write? Everyone write. Everyone write something that makes sense to you. Let me read out the first answer. It's supposed to be x more than 5 plus 2. Very good. What do you write? The inequality signs do not change when it is plus or minus. It should be x more than. Okay, the inequality change do not change. The inequality sign do not change is an unofficial word. There's no such thing. In math, there's no such thing. It's just a way to do it. But I should see. Accept. The keyword is this. The keyword is x should be 5 more than x should be more than 5 plus 2. Anywhere you have this, you are right.
Just show this time first.
Yeah. You can just show this will do.
Yeah. It's not equals to x less than 0. Right?
Okay, now next. I will copy your answer. Your answer is x more than or equal to negative 6. Do you get that? It's already. What happened to the word? X. Oh. So I have x here. I have 0. I have negative 6. And I have color. Check. Should be right, This one no trick. Okay, turn to the next page.
The other way around.
Okay, now what if I have something like that? Okay, can I bring your attention to this? Now, how do I read these two? I always use the mouth. Let me try to explain. Now, this thing here is like big mouth. So x bigger than negative 6. Again here, x, this is like a big mouth. Why big mouth? Compared to this thing here, this is like a small mouth. So x bigger than negative 6. Can follow? So x bigger than negative 6 is definitely pointing this side. Okay. Can you use cross multiply? Answer is okay. Let's try something. I have some space here. Can I have all your attention? Come back to this page. This is on page what? Page 5. Can you help me write something? Let's try. X over negative 2 equal 5 over 3. Draw the same thing. X over negative 2 equal 5 over 3. Everyone have this? Can you write this down? Let's discuss this. It's important. It's important because we are so used to this thing called cross multiply. Ready? All have already? It's on page example 5. All of you must have this. Okay, let's start. Now, in cross multiply, do you agree I can multiply upwards? So, in the first one, I can draw it like that. And what do I have? Negative 10. Can I multiply upwards?
Yeah.
Yes. And then what do I have? So I have 3x equal negative 10. Can I multiply downwards? Can I multiply downwards? Can I multiply downwards? Okay, so what do I have? Negative 10 equal 3x. Because I multiply downwards, right? So it will be this way and that way. Is the two equation the same? Yes. In equation, nothing is wrong. Same one. It's like that, right? It's like that. But in equation, is it okay? It's okay because I bring the negative, I bring the 3 over, I bring the 3 over, it's fine. So equation, there's no problem. But what happens when it is, Aisha, you should follow this as well. What happens if there is a more than? Is there a problem? Is there a problem when we cross multiply? Is there a problem when we cross multiply? There is a big problem. Why? Let's try. The left side we multiply outwards. We multiply outwards. Very good. The sign will change. I multiply outwards. What do I write? I will write 3x more than negative 10 versus I multiply downwards. Are you all taking down? You all should take this down. Important. So I multiply downwards. What happened? It will be what? Wrong. It should be blue color. Negative 10 like that. 3x. What is the problem? The sign. The first one I read. It's not recording. Oh, it's recording. Okay, the first one I read 3x more. The second one I read wait. No, sorry. I changed the question. I hope I didn't confuse you. Okay, it should be more. Both questions is the same sign. Just now I put a wrong sign. Sorry. This one you look at paper. Just now I unintentionally changed the sign. So this is more than. Both are more than. Okay, now I multiply downwards.
This next is less than 10.
Then what I see here is one is like that.
But this one will only change if there's negative, right? Okay. Let's reverse again. Let's reverse again. Now, when I multiply by negative number, what will happen? Sign change. So what should happen to the sign? It should change. So this sign should change to this way. Am I correct? The first one, is it correct? Can The second one, I multiply downwards. Will it change? No change. Oh, but the negative can be on top as well, right? The negative can be on top as well. If on top as well, I multiply downwards, will it change? Yes, it will change. So So let's just keep it constant. The thing changes. The thing changes. So this will change. And what is wrong with these two statements?
What is more than negative 10?
One box read 3x less than, one box read 3x more than. Then that is a problem, Ryan. This is a problem. So what am I trying to tell you? Cannot cross multiply. Cannot cross multiply. Then what should you do? Times common denominator. Okay, in fact, if you die want to cross multiply, when you upward multiply, it's correct. When you downward multiply, it's wrong. But for good practice sake, let's try the denominator part. What do I multiply? Why the sign change for the bottom one is because this negative 2 can be on top or below, because both are the same. If I multiply downwards, it will change. Okay. So for good practice sake, let us try to do the LCM method. So both sides must multiply by what? 12. 12 is very good. I'm so afraid that you tell me 24.
I first put 24.
Don't put 24. LCM. Why put 12? Because number smaller is better. Number you will not see the difference, but later on x and x square you will see a difference. Do you understand? Don't understand? Understand? Don't understand? Yeah, this looks not threatening, but is this threatening? What's the LCM for this one? Is it x squared or x cubed? X cubed is wrong. X squared. You understand? If you put x cubed, then you realize that later on you will have cube on top. Well, then cannot solve. It becomes an A-math question. So don't always think of this times this. The two denominators together. Don't. Okay, back to the question here. Some of you already gone already. Okay, so how do I do this question? Can you continue? I pause here.